Steve Jobs has aptly said, the people who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Don't be trapped by the dogma, which is living with the result of other people's thinking. Don't let the noise of other people's opinions drown out your own inner voice. Hi all, I'm Jaspreet Kaur Bodraj and welcome back to episode 15 of Impacting Lives with Jaspreet. Today I shall be talking on unstoppable leaders. So who is an unstoppable leader? An unstoppable leader is the one who never gives up, who never gives in, who always follows their vision no matter what. In this patriarchal society, when we talk of unstoppable leaders, I'm sure most of you could visualize some male figures in your mind. But here I would like to differ a bit. For me, an unstoppable leader is a mother. Moms are the real leaders of life. They have the best interest for their children, for their success, prosperity, their future. Moms are the ones who give birth to unstoppable leaders as well. To name a few, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Jawaharlal Nehru, Mother Teresa, J.R.D. Tata. These are the leaders who have immensely contributed. Our current Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Damodar Das Modi ji, he has brought in so many policies, so many schemes. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Make in India. He brought in demonetization, implemented GST, triple talaq. He is the real hero of our country. Let me discuss with you 7 traits of an unstoppable leader. The first trait of an unstoppable leader is self-belief. The second trait of an unstoppable leader is that he develops a clear vision and he is very clear about it in his mind. The third trait of an unstoppable leader is that he takes action. When he takes action, the rest of the steps fall in place. The next trait of an unstoppable leader is that he is responsible. Responsibility is the key, friends. Be responsible in everything you do, and definitely success will be very close to you. An unstoppable leader is never satisfied. You know, when we are satisfied fully, we don't want to work further. So, always have that hunger. An unstoppable leader is always consistent and perseverant. So these are the traits or the ingredients, secret ingredients which help you to become an unstoppable leader. Since all of us are leaders of our own life, so let's follow these traits. Let's adopt these traits rather and become leaders, good leaders of our lives. Thank you so much for listening to me. If you like my video, hit on the like button, share and subscribe. Let's impact lives together. Thank you.